Now the birds are all set over there, and the horses are all done eating and cleaned, and water's filling up. And here's Brutus. Hi, Brutus. Hey, say hi. Hi, Bru. Coming out, Sahara. Finn, you can't come out yet. You gotta wait. Nope. Hi, Sahara. Sahara. Sahara, say hi. Finn, come on. No. Finn, in the house. You can't go outside. Come on, bub. Good boy. You can't go outside with them because you run away. You jump the fence. All right, now we're gonna go out to the front and get some hay. Get the laundry done, too. I've had to keep the hay in the garage here because sometimes I'm not strong enough on the chemo to pick it all up, so I'll get them some hay and get them all set for this evening. All right. Can't come out, bud. No, you can't. You're no coming outside. Let's go get the horses their hay. Come on, buddy. Come on. They're waiting at the fence. Waiting for your hay? Huh? I know. I'm not very quick today, am I? Alright, let him out. Bru, where'd Sahara go? Sahara's laying down. Alright, come on, kids. Over here. Let's go. All cleaned up. And hay time. That's it. Share. Okay. Got all your hay. Ike, come over here. Alright. Water's filled.